वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं. टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक Goan stir-fry cabbage. Okay, so we have to chop this nicely. So no onion and no garlic for this recipe. So what we need now, I have taken 4 green chilies, then 1 tablespoon of grated coconut. This is 1 tablespoon of chana dal which is soaked. Okay, for few hours I had soaked. And that's it. Oil. So you can use coconut oil. So I'm taking coconut oil to stir fry. So this is cabbage stir fry. Only turmeric powder and cumin powder we'll add. So we'll add few curry leaves. And our green chilies. Low flame, and we'll add our soaked chana dal. So oil, coconut oil, 1 tablespoon is enough. So now they are fried, and we will add a cabbage. And mix this all nicely. Then I will add the remaining also. No adding water. It will get cooked on its own. Salt to taste. We'll add salt to taste. And add turmeric powder and cumin powder. Turmeric powder and cumin. So 3/4 teaspoon of this. And our grated coconut. Mix all this. Cover and cook this till our cabbage is nicely cooked along with the dal. Very easy and quick recipe. No onion, no tomato, no garlic. Okay. Now let's cover this. If you want to add more than this coconut, you can add. But as we have added coconut oil, so this much is enough. So now we'll just mix again. See, it's already become, and if you soak the dal very nicely, then it's easy to get cooked. Chana dal. And here is our cabbage stir-fry ready. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Everything is cooked. And all the flavors are there. Try and make this recipe. Manta तुमका सगळ्यांक बरी लागतली आणि तुम्ही करून खातली. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.
And it's ready. Goan stir-fry cabbage. No onions, no tomatoes, and no garlic. Thank you.